going to see a topic teacher as a leader and its educational implication. Moving on to the topic, we have introduction. What is teacher leadership? Key characteristics of teacher leadership, educational implication, and the conclusion. For introduction, leadership is the action of leading a group of people or an organization which involves guiding, influencing, and inspiring others to achieve something new and better. So, what is teacher leadership? Teacher leadership encompasses various roles and responsibilities that educators take on beyond their classroom duties. And moving on to the key characteristic of teacher leader, the teacher leader should be an expert, exceptional communicators, change agents. What is expert? That is, the teacher leader share their expertise whether in subject matter knowledge or teaching skills or leadership abilities. And for exceptional communicators, effective communication is crucial. Teacher leadership prioritize listening. And changing agents, teacher leaders drive change by collaborating with colleagues, administrators, and families. They advocate for student centered policies and equitable practices. And some other characteristics of teacher leader are inspirational leaders, trustworthy colleagues, and explorers. A teacher leader should be an inspirational leader so that a student can follow instruction of the teachers. And trustworthy colleagues, of course, trust is foundational for teacher leaders that build trust by being reliable, transparent, and committed to the well-being of students and colleagues. And explorers, the teacher should explore new things and innovative things in order to enhance the teaching learning process. Other than that, we have empathy, analytical skill. Empathy means the teacher leader demonstrate empathy by creating a safe and welcoming learning environment. And for analytic skills, teacher leader access educational strategies and research quality. They encourage reflective practices and use data to inform decisions. And adaptability, of course, the teacher leader should adapt to any kind of situations, whether it is good or bad. He or she should adapt herself to the current situations and tackle the problem to improve their critical thinking and decision making. The courage. Courageous teacher leader engage in inclusive conversations about social justice. Their willingness to take risks foster growth and positive change. And commitment and motivation. Teacher leaders are accountable, action oriented, and energized. Effective communication is very important for a teacher leader so that there will be no problem in their communications, and active listening, conflict resolution, and networking are their strengths. A love of learning. Teacher leaders model lifelong learning. An engaging classroom, teacher leaders create a positive classroom atmosphere. Patience, yes, of course, it is very important for a teacher leader. He or she should have patience to take the progress to take time. Patience allows them to navigate challenges and persist in their efforts. Honoring best practices, teacher leaders value evidence based approaches. And there are some educational implications, that is achieving heightened expectations, lifting student outcomes, strengthening teacher requirement development and retention requirement of school leaders. And for the in conclusion, we have teacher leadership is a dynamic force that transcends traditional classroom boundaries. Here are the key takeaways, that is empowerment and expertise, whole school compact, student-centered advocacy, and lifelong learning. In empowerment and expertise, teacher leaders empower themselves and their colleagues, fostering a culture of continuous improvement. In whole school impact, their mentorship, collaboration, and innovative thinking contribute to positive change. Student-centered advocacy, the teacher should meet all the requirements of the students so as to enhance their teaching learning progress. And lifelong learning, teacher leadership is not a static role, it's a commitment to growth. So when teacher lead, education thrives and students flourish. That's all about teacher as a leader. Thank you.